Welcome back to Lana Decor. Today we are diving into easy, charming, and budget-friendly cottage-style decorating ideas that will make your small space feel incredibly cozy and fresh for spring. One of the easiest ways to make a small cottage home feel instantly refreshed for spring is to swap out your heavy curtains for sheer linen panels. Light fabric allows soft natural light to pour in, making even the tiniest room feel airy and open. It is a simple change that costs very little but transforms everything about how your space feels. A floral throw blanket is one of the most underrated decorating tools for a small cottage home. Simply draping one over the back or arm of your sofa adds color, warmth, and texture without cluttering the space. Choose soft spring tones like blush, sage, or cream to keep the look fresh and seasonal. It takes 10 seconds and makes your living room feel completely curated. Nothing brings a small home to life quite like fresh flowers on a windowsill. A simple ceramic vase filled with tulips, wildflowers, or daffodils instantly signals that spring has arrived inside your home. The natural light behind the blooms makes them glow beautifully, and the gentle fragrance adds another sensory layer of coziness that no decor item can fully replicate. Texture is everything in a cozy cottage home, and a chunky knit or crochet table runner is one of the simplest ways to add it. Layered over a wooden coffee table or dining surface, it immediately brings a handcrafted, warm quality to the room. Pair it with a small ceramic candle holder and dried flowers to create a vignette that feels intentional and deeply inviting. A handmade wreath crafted from dried lavender, baby's breath, or eucalyptus is a beautiful way to bring the essence of a spring garden indoors. Hang it on your front door, above a mantle, or on an interior wall as a statement piece. The soft purple and white tones blend naturally with a cottage color palette, and the subtle herbal fragrance makes your entire home smell like a countryside meadow. Before you buy a single new decor piece, try rearranging your furniture so that your main seating faces the room's best natural light source. In a small cottage home, this one shift can completely change how spacious and welcoming the space feels. Light is your most powerful decorating tool, and positioning your furniture to embrace it rather than block it costs absolutely nothing. Throw pillows are one of the quickest and most affordable ways to shift a room into a spring mood. Swapping out dark or heavy pillows for soft pastels in sage green, dusty blush, or warm butter yellow immediately lightens the entire atmosphere. Mix linen, embroidered, and woven textures together for a layered cottage look that feels curated without being overly matchy or formal. Open shelves are a golden opportunity to express cottage charm in a small home. Arrange mismatched vintage mugs, small terracotta herb pots, and a few linen-spined books together for a display that feels lived in and personal. The key is to avoid perfect symmetry. Let things feel slightly imperfect and collected over time, because that effortless quality is exactly what makes a cottage kitchen feel so warm and genuine. A round rug with a muted floral or vintage-inspired pattern is one of the best investments for a small cottage living room. It visually defines and anchors the seating area, adds warmth underfoot, and softens the hard edges of wooden floors or tiled surfaces. Choose faded, dusty tones rather than bold colors, so the rug feels like it has always belonged in the space. Never underestimate the power of scent when decorating a small home. A spring-scented candle in a simple ceramic or mason jar holder adds warmth, intimacy, and a beautiful soft glow to any corner of your cottage. Scents like fresh linen, jasmine, or wild herbs instantly shift the mood of an entire room. Light one in the late afternoon and watch your small space feel instantly more cozy and intentional. A wooden ladder shelf is one of the most functional and visually appealing additions to a small cottage home. Lean it against a wall in your living room or bedroom and use it to display folded blankets, trailing plants, small ceramics, and a stack of your favorite books. It adds vertical storage without feeling heavy or bulky, and it brings that relaxed, curated cottage quality that makes a space feel truly lived in. Growing spring bulbs like hyacinths, daffodils, or muscari inside a window box is one of the most magical things you can do to bring the season indoors. The blooms unfold gradually over days and fill your small cottage home with color and fragrance. Place the planter on a sunny windowsill and let the soft morning light filter through the petals, turning an ordinary window into a breathtaking living display. If your small cottage home feels cluttered or visually heavy, try swapping out dark decorative objects for lightweight wicker baskets and rattan trays. These natural materials bring texture and warmth while keeping the overall feel airy and relaxed. Use wicker baskets to organize throws and magazines, and style rattan trays with candles and small plants on shelves. The transformation feels effortlessly fresh and perfectly suited for spring. A thoughtfully styled coffee table does a lot of heavy lifting in a small cottage living room. Stack 2 or 3 vintage books with beautiful spines, add a pillar candle in an aged brass or ceramic holder, and rest a fresh sprig of eucalyptus or rosemary across the top. The combination of organic texture, warm candlelight, and earthy greenery creates a vignette that feels both effortless and deeply intentional. Your bedroom should feel like the coziest room in your cottage, and nothing achieves that more simply than soft white or warm cream bedding layered with a lightweight spring quilt. Choose fabrics like wash linen or cotton percale that feel breathable and relaxed rather than stiff or formal. Add a single sprig of lavender on the pillow and open the window slightly, and your bedroom will feel like a spring morning retreat. And those are all ideas to bring cozy cottage charm into your small home this spring. From swapping out heavy curtains to styling your windowsill with fresh blooms, every single tip is simple, affordable, and makes a real difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Lana Decor so you never miss a new video. Drop your favorite idea in the comments below. I would love to hear from you.